Hey Mom, it's Sunday night. I'm getting ready for bed. I just want to say goodnight and that I love you. Linda's studying her butt off as per usual. She is studying. And I'm just chilling here. Dad and I had a really good convo on the phone. We spoke for like 40 minutes. There was an earthquake today. It was like 5 on the Richter scale. So, like shook up a bit. It was fun. And I went to a formal yesterday, which was loads and loads of fun. And yep, that's what's going on. I love you, and I just kind of wanted to check in with you. Went to the apartment today, and the girl who was originally going to be my apartment mate decided to back out because her parents were going to pay for it before, but now they're not. So, because of that, she can't afford it. So she's not doing it. Yeah, unfortunately. So I've started talking to some other people and seeing who else might be available. There's this guy Jared who's interested, and you know, there's always looking, etc. Dad and I got dinner tonight in the dorms with Linda, and that was fun. And now I'm about to go to bed, but I don't want to go to sleep without saying goodnight to you. Love you. Bye.